Ever packed for a cruise and wondered what the dress code really means today? This guide gives you the real rules and the real-world etiquette, so you can pack with confidence and enjoy every moment on board and in port. We will separate official policies from social norms, explain what fits on family-focused lines versus adults-only sailings, and show you how to avoid awkward moments at dinner or at the buffet. You will learn why certain prints can get you turned away at the gangway, how to move from the pool to indoor spaces without a misstep, and the simple formula for shorts, jeans, and evening wear. We will take the stress out of formal night, set clear expectations for hats and fragrance, draw a friendly line around pajamas and robes, and flag the #1 rookie shoe mistake. You will also see how to stay safe with jewelry in busy ports and why a light layer can save your night in an air-conditioned theater. If this helps, subscribe to Cruise Adventure and hit the bell so you never miss a tip. Ready to sail with style and zero stress? Let's begin. Number 13. Pack a light layer for chilly interiors. Cruise ships feel like summer on the open deck and like late autumn the moment you step inside. Theaters, casinos, and dining rooms are kept cool to handle crowds and humidity. After a day in the sun, that drop can feel dramatic. Even in the Caribbean, you may shiver through dinner or a show if you rely only on tank tops and tees. The fix is simple. Pack one light layer you love and keep it handy. A thin cardigan, a soft sweater, a pashmina, or a lightweight hoodie all work. Merino or cotton blends breathe well and resist odors. Choose a neutral color so it matches most outfits. Toss it in your day bag before you leave the cabin each morning. If the evening breeze picks up on deck or the air conditioning blasts in the theater, you are covered. Parents, pack layers for kids too. Little shoulders get cold fast while waiting for dessert or during a long show. For Alaska or breezy transatlantic sailings, upgrade to a packable jacket that blocks wind. Skip bulky coats. You want warmth without weight. A simple layer keeps you comfortable from pool deck to piano bar. Number 12. Leave flashy jewelry in the safe. Shore days are prime time for opportunistic theft. A diamond necklace, a luxury watch, or a thick gold chain can mark you out as a high-value target the moment you step off the gangway. Blending in is the goal. Looking like a relaxed traveler beats looking like a walking showcase. Before you head ashore, lock anything sentimental or expensive in your cabin safe. Swap statement pieces for fun costume jewelry you would not miss if it disappeared. If you love wearing a watch, consider a simple sport model or a cheap travel backup. Heavy chains are easy to grab, so leave them behind on port days. Plan for evening sparkle on the ship instead. Pack a small jewelry roll and enjoy your nicer pieces at dinner or a show, then return them to the safe when you head back to your cabin. If you prefer to keep a ring on, a silicone band is a comfortable, low-profile stand while exploring busy streets and markets. Keep accessories quiet and purposeful. Choose a crossbody bag with a zipper. Keep your phone in a front pocket or inside the bag, and avoid flashing cash when you pay. A low-key look means less stress and more time to enjoy the sights. Number 11. Break in your shoes and bring closed toes. Big ships mean big steps. A stroll from cabin to theater to dinner can add up fast, and brand new shoes will punish you for it. Wear every pair for a few days at home before you pack. If anything rubs, fix it now with different socks or a better fit. Toss a small strip of moleskin and a few blister patches in your toiletry kit. They weigh nothing and can save your trip. Pack at least 2 comfortable walking options so you can rotate pairs day to day. Look for cushioning, breathable uppers, and good grip for wet decks. If you bring dress shoes, add soft insoles or choose low-block heels instead of stilettos. For sandals, pick styles with real arch support and heel straps so you are not clenching your toes all day. Closed-toe shoes are not optional for many onboard activities. Ropes courses, zip lines, rock walls, and go-karts all require them for safety. The same goes for a lot of excursions like ATV rides, cave tours, and long hikes over uneven ground. A simple pair of lightweight sneakers covers it all. Socks matter more than you think. Quick-drying merino or synthetic socks help prevent blisters and odors. Avoid thick cotton on hot days. Consider water shoes for rocky beaches or tender docks where footing is slick. Make a tiny foot care kit for your day bag. Add spare socks, a couple of bandages, and a pain reliever. At night, rinse off salt and sand, moisturize, and give your feet a short break with legs up on a pillow. Happy feet equal a happy cruise. Number 10. Essential men's clothing rules. Think day versus night. Tank tops and sleeveless tees are fine for lunch by the pool, but they are too casual for main dining rooms and most specialty restaurants after sunset. As evening approaches, switch to a shirt with sleeves. A clean t-shirt can work on casual lines, but a polo or a button-down always looks sharp and keeps you within the rules. Pack one just in case outfit that unlocks every venue. That is a collared shirt plus long pants. Dark jeans or lightweight chinos both qualify as long pants. Add a simple belt and closed toe shoes, and you are ready for any dining room, even the fancier ones. If you prefer a sport coat, choose an unstructured cotton or linen blend that packs light and dresses up a basic outfit. Focus on fit over formality. A well-fitting polo and chinos beat an oversized dress shirt every time. Choose a small, neutral palette, so pieces mix easily. Navy, gray, white, and khaki keep packing simple. Toss in a pocket square or a casual watch if you want an easy style upgrade. Travel helpers earn their space. A mini fabric shaver, a travel steamer or wrinkle release spray, and spare collar stays keep you looking crisp in photos and at dinner. Number 9. Go light on cologne and perfume. Elevators, corridors, and theaters magnify scent. What seems like a quick spritz in your cabin can become a cloud that lingers long after you exit. Many fellow cruisers are sensitive to fragrance. Strong scents can trigger headaches, allergies, or asthma. Courtesy is the rule. Aim for discovered, not announced. One spray on pulse points is enough. Skip reapplying right before dinner or a show. Unscented deodorant and clean clothes do more for freshness than extra cologne. If you wear hair products, choose light or unscented versions so smells do not stack. Layer wisely after a beach day. Shower. Moisturize with an unscented lotion, then a tiny touch of fragrance. In close spaces like the main dining room, the piano bar, or a tender boat, subtle reads as polished. Your tablemates will thank you. Number 8. Baseball caps and dining venues. The simple rule for evenings is this: remove your cap in the main dining room and in specialty restaurants. It is a small sign of respect, and it helps the room feel a bit more like a nice night out. You will see some guests keep hats on, and crew may not always enforce the rule, but following it yourself is the polished choice. Daytime is different. Caps and sun hats are fine by the pool, on deck, and at the buffet for breakfast or lunch. Once you sit down for dinner, take the hat off. If you worry about hat hair, carry a small travel brush or a dab of styling cream in your pocket. A quick tidy in the restroom solves it. Give grace to others. Some people wear head coverings for medical or religious reasons. No one needs side-eye on vacation. If you keep a cap with you, clip it to your day bag or place it on your chair back so it stays clean and out of the way. Number 7. Skip offensive or profane clothing. Cruise ships are shared spaces with kids, grandparents, and people from many cultures. Every line bans clothing with profanity, explicit graphics, or slurs. It is not a free speech debate. It is a condition of your ticket. If a crew member asks you to change, they are enforcing policy, so the venue stays welcoming for everyone. Play it safe with neutral designs and positive messages. Save edgy jokes and shock humor tease for another trip. Even mild innuendo can land badly at brunch beside a family. Political or culture war slogans are another stress trigger. You came to relax, not to argue by the pool. Think practically, too. An offensive shirt can get you turned away at the door to a restaurant or a show. That is a wasted walk back to your cabin and a mood killer for your evening. Pack a couple of plain tees or polos that go with anything. If in doubt, Swap the shirt for a simple layer and keep the peace. A friendly vibe is the best dress code of all. Number 6. Keep pajamas, slippers, and bathrobes to your cabin. A plush robe is a great perk on many ships, perfect for morning coffee on your balcony. But it is cabin wear, not dining room wear. Walking into the buffet in a robe or loungewear will draw stares, and you may be asked to change. The same goes for slippers. They are for your cabin, not public venues. If you are going straight to the spa, the pool, or the hot tubs, a robe over a proper swimsuit is fine for that short walk. Dry off quickly, and bring a real cover-up if you plan to enter the buffet or a cafe. Pajamas sit in the middle. For most adults, they belong in the cabin unless there is a themed event. Families in matching holiday PJs at breakfast are a cute exception, and a teen grabbing late-night pizza in pajama pants rarely raises eyebrows. When in doubt, switch to a simple tee and joggers. You will stay comfortable, and you will match the evening vibe. Number 5. Ripped or distressed clothing. Trendy rips and raw hems look great on land. In the evening dining rooms at sea, they read too casual. Most main dining rooms and nearly all specialty restaurants expect neat, intact clothing after dark. That standard applies whether the holes are designer-made or from real wear. If your jeans or shorts have tears, frayed edges, or large abrasions, save them for the daytime and for port adventures. At dinner, switch to dark denim with a clean finish, chinos, or a simple skirt or dress without distressing. You will match the room, avoid an awkward turn at the door, and feel more polished in photos. Casual forward lines can be more relaxed, yet the expectation in an upscale venue does not change much. When a meal feels like a night out, dress for a night out. That does not mean formal. It means clothing that looks fresh, tidy, and whole. A capsule approach makes this easy. Pack one pair of dark jeans with no fading, one pair of chinos, and one smart, casual top. Add a light layer and closed-toe shoes, and you are set for any dining space on board. If you love distressed pieces, wear them by day with comfy sneakers and a sun hat, then switch gears before sunset. It is a simple swap that keeps your evening smooth. Number 4. Formal night without the stress. Forget the old movie vibe. Modern formal nights aim for polished and enjoyable, not stiff. Think elevated dinner with great photos, not a black tie marathon. If dressing up makes you nervous, use this simple plan. For men, a suit is always right, yet not required on most lines. A sport coat over a crisp collared shirt and dress trousers looks sharp and passes every doorway. If you skip the jacket, press the shirt, add a belt, and wear closed-toe shoes. A slim knit tie or a pocket square gives instant polish. Keep colors simple. Navy or charcoal with a pale shirt works on every skin tone and in every dining room. For women, pick one hero outfit that travels well. A knee-length cocktail dress, an elegant jumpsuit, or a dressy skirt with a refined top. Choose fabric that resists wrinkles and moves well. Add a light wrap for cool air conditioning and a pair of walkable heels or dressy flats. A small clutch and one statement piece of jewelry finish the look. There is one traditional outlier. Cunard keeps a classic standard, and many guests enjoy going all in. On most other lines, the goal is to look your best and feel comfortable. If you are unsure, dress one step above smart casual and you will fit right in. Pack one outfit you love, then relax and enjoy the night. Number 3. Shorts and jeans made simple. This is where many first-time cruisers stumble. The key is to separate daytime freedom from evening expectations. By day, shorts are the hero. They are perfect for breakfast at the buffet, shore excursions, and casual poolside meals. Aim for neat fabrics that breathe. Think chino shorts, tailored athletic styles, or linen blends that do not wrinkle too hard. Keep them mid-thigh to knee length for a tidy look in photos. Evenings are different in most main dining rooms and in specialty restaurants. Some venues discourage shorts after sunset, and enforcement can vary by ship and crew. The easiest plan is to switch to long pants for dinner. Dark jeans or lightweight chinos are the safest bet. They dress up with zero effort and work with a polo, a button-down, or a refined knit top. Jeans have had the biggest glow-up at sea. Clean, dark, non-distressed denim is widely accepted at dinner on many ships. Leave ripped and frayed styles for daytime. If the restaurant feels like a night out, treat your outfit the same way. A belt, closed-toe shoes, and a light layer instantly elevate denim. Travel smart with a tiny capsule. Pack one pair of tailored shorts in a neutral color, one pair of dark jeans, and one pair of chinos. Rotate tops that mix and match. If you want insurance, tuck one pair of dress shorts in your bag for casual venues and warm evenings on deck. When you are unsure about a dress code, choose long pants. You will never be turned away for looking a touch more polished. Number 2. Swimwear and cover-ups done right. Poolside style can be playful. Once you leave the pool deck, the rules get stricter. Family-focused lines expect modest suits and proper cover-ups. Adult-oriented lines feel looser, yet the indoor standard is the same. When your feet step off the Lido deck, put on a real layer. A shirt, sundress, or shorts are the safe choices. A thin mesh dress that shows everything does not count, and a crew member may stop you at the door. Dry off before you head inside. Walking into a buffet while dripping is unsafe and unsanitary. Slippery floors and food service do not mix. Use a towel, throw on your cover-up, and take 1 minute to look presentable. Shoes are required in indoor dining. Flip-flops are fine if they are dry and clean, but bare feet are not allowed. Think about the audience around you. On a ship with lots of children and grandparents, ultra-revealing swimwear will draw attention for the wrong reasons. Save your most daring looks for a private sunbed or a party-themed night if the line allows it. Keep a small tote with a cover-up, a dry top, and a compact towel, so you can switch from pool to cafe with zero friction. A little planning keeps the vibe relaxed for you and for everyone sharing the space. Number 1. The 2 prints to avoid. Here is the advice that saves real headaches. 2 patterns can create big problems, one social and one legal. First is camouflage. On board, it is just a style choice. In several Caribbean countries, it is illegal for civilians to wear camo. Guests have been fined or denied entry ashore. The simple rule is this: enjoy camo on sea days, then change before you step onto the pier. Pack a neutral pair of shorts or a plain tee so the swap takes seconds. If you love a camo hat or bag, leave it in the cabin on port days. The second pattern is the upside-down pineapple. In cruising circles, it signals interest in the swinger or lifestyle community. Most people wearing it are not sending that message on purpose. Avoid it on shirts, swimsuits, tote bags, and cabin door decor, unless that is the message you intend. A regular pineapple is just a fun tropical motif. Upside down means something different. Both tips are about avoiding awkward moments. You came to relax, eat great food, and see new places. Skip the prints that cause confusion or trouble, and you will glide from ship to shore without a hitch. Cruise dress codes today are simple when you know the rhythm. Keep pool looks on the pool deck. Add a real cover-up indoors. Switch from shorts by day to jeans or chinos at night. Dress one step above casual for a smooth path into any dining room. Break in your shoes, bring closed toes for the fun stuff, and carry a light layer for chilly theaters and restaurants. Leave flashy jewelry in the safe on port days. Skip offensive slogans and heavy fragrance. Keep robes and pajamas for the cabin. And dodge the 2 tricky prints. No camo ashore where it is illegal, and no upside-down pineapple unless you mean it. Now I would love to hear from you. What is your number 1 cruise dress code tip? Or a funny first-time mistake that others can learn from? Share it in the comments so more travelers can sail with confidence. If this helped, please subscribe to Cruise Adventure and hit the bell so you never miss a tip.